Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Navjot Talks. This is Navjot, and in this video I'm going to give you some information regarding the early childhood education program. I have read your comments. A lot of you are asking me to give you some information regarding this program, so I have collaborated all the information after doing some research on the internet, after reading some websites, some colleges requirement regarding IELTS and career options. So I'm trying to put all the information in this video, so please watch this video till end so that you don't skip any information which is good for you or useful for you. So first of all, the name is early childhood education, and the people you have, if you have 12th, if you are grade 12 pass out, you can get enrolled to this program. But if you have bachelor's degree, then still you can get enrolled into this program, but the name is different. For plus 2, it's a diploma. It's early childhood education certificate diploma, or it's just a certificate. But if you are having a bachelor's degree already, then the name is graduate certificate diploma in early childhood education. So make sure that you're going into a right program, because if you have your bachelor's degree already and you are applying for a diploma which is made for those who have plus 2 level of education, 12th grade of level of education, then you're going to sit with those, and then there is a level of knowledge, and it's different for both the categories. So just try to be in a program which is made for you. And let's talk about the IELTS. For the 12th grade pass outs, the IELTS band score required is 5.5 in each module, and overall 6. But I have always said to all my viewers and subscribers that please try to get at least 6 bands in each module and 6.5 overall, so that your visa chances are more, because you may get the offer letter, the college may issue you the offer letter, you may pay the fee, but after you apply for your visa, the immigration department may refuse your visa just thinking that you are not proficient enough to talk in English, to communicate in English in this country. And for those who already have a bachelor's degree and applying for a graduate certificate program, the level of the IELTS band score required is 6 bands in each module, and then 6.5 overall. So this was about the band score. Now I'm gonna tell you some skills in which you are going to focus if you get enrolled into this program. There are 3 main skills. One is academic, then is social, and then is cognition. And the academic focuses on the curriculum, which is designed to provide you information, the knowledge, like making the students learn about the alphabets, making them write some letters, telling them the spellings, so that type of thing. And the social is helping the students, the clients with whom you will be dealing, obviously the students, the children, small children. You will be helping them to interact socially, how they can interact with the people, the manners, those kind of things. And then the cognition means related to the brain. We will be teaching them some skills which will help them for the development of their brain, like playing with them some activities, playing with them some games, those kind of things. And the fee structure: if you're an international student, you may need to pay $16,000 per year. It means for 2 semesters. I have tried to get this information from 2-3 colleges. I mean, I read the information from online resources, and I just came to know that the fee is approximately same, which is between $16,000 to $17,000, and that means you need to pay around 8,50,000 rupees if you are Indian. You can make the calculations according to the currency of your country, but it's approximately $16,000 per year. It means 2 semesters, and this program has 4 semesters. You can verify. Please try to verify all the information which I give you, because I try to provide you all the reliable information, valid information, but sometimes the mistakes can happen. So please try to verify that information. And now let's talk about the career opportunities. You will be dealing with the children, with the small children who are below the age of 12 years. So you will be either a preschool teacher, or a teacher assistant, or a kindergarten teacher, or child care center director. Some of the people who graduate from this program, they open up their own child care centers, and they are the founder and directors of their own child care centers. And then you can be a child care worker, And there are some settings with the special children, like the autism or autistic children. They are educated in those institutions, so you can work with them. And then you can work in the nursery schools. And there are some Ontario early year centers in which the parents drop off the children, pick up in the evening, and they just try to learn something like maybe ABC or maybe phonetics, or they just play some games with them. So they are those type of institutions. It can be any institution, but you are going to deal with the small children who are below the level of 12 years. And if we talk about the salary, you are going to make around $50,000 per year. You can make more or you can make less depending upon the province in you are applying for the job, and the area. Like some rural areas, they have less salary, and the main areas like GTA, Toronto, they pay more. So based on the location, based on the experience, your salary may increase, and you may make more. And it's every salary is $50,000, so it's a good salary. And for those who have +2, the 12th grade pass outs, it's a very good option. And I would always say, if you want to come to Canada, please try to be in a program which helps you to get into a job as soon as possible, because then you have to apply for your permanent residency, and then it helps you in that, because on the list of NOC you will find this option is there. And okay, that's all about this early childhood education program. I have tried to provide you all the information. I spent some time finding some information, and then I wrote it on this paper, and then I have explained it. Please let me know if you have any other doubt. If you want to ask me any other questions regarding this program, please comment in this video, and I will try to answer your queries. And so just let's sum up everything. It's early childhood education program. If you have 12th grade, if you are bachelor's degree, you already have bachelor's degree, you can go for this program. And both the ways, there are two different names. One is a certificate or a diploma, and the other one is a graduate certificate diploma. And it's a 2 years program for both of you. I mean, those who are already having a bachelor's degree, and if you are +2 pass out. And then the skills on which you will be focusing is academic, social, and cognitive. And the graduate certificate requires 6.5 overall and not less than 6 band in each module in IELTS. And for the diploma after +2 or 12th grade, it's not less than 5.5 in each module and 6 bands overall. But I have always said, please try to get at least 6 bands in each module to be on a safer side. The fee is $16,000 per year, means 2 semesters. And I just want to tell you here that the Canadian education system is a little bit different than India, and here we have semester systems. The semester is 4 months, and you will have 4 semesters for this overall program. And the career is preschool teacher, teacher assistant, kindergarten, childcare center director, childcare workers, special education teachers, and nursery schools or Ontario early year centers. So you will be dealing with the children, and you will be making approximately $50,000. So this was all about early childhood education program. Please let me know the other programs about which you want to know, and I will try to get some information. I will try to make a video, and then I will try to help you. And all the information which I try to provide is from the sources from the internet, but the reliable sources. And I always try my best to give you as much knowledge as I can, because I have gone through the stages in which I was misguided. I opted some program which was not useful, and a college which was totally misleading. So I have always tried to help you. I don't want you to repeat those mistakes. I don't want you to repeat the mistakes which I have made. So just to be on the safer side, watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. I have seen a lot of people are appreciating me, and I feel so energetic and motivated when you appreciate my videos. So this is just a humble request for you just please subscribe my channel and like the videos. If you think that I am just trying to give you some valuable information, if you have ever felt that the information given by me has ever helped you, please try to put a like. That's just a small thumbs up, and that helps me to make more videos. Stay tuned and be safe from coronavirus. Spread awareness, not the rumors. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next video soon. Bye.